Hello and welcome to Chevy Door Panel Repair. We have some fiber cleansing material soaked in cement. Little patch job there. Here also, because it broke completely off. So, got some new clips for it as well. And we're ready to go back on with it.